That's for the morning to you guys. Today, Daddy just in the kitchen and hot up some food. He might hot up some food. Last night we cook curry chicken, back and rice. So this morning he just hot it up in the normal daddy eat on the stove, but sometimes we just use the microwave. And then you not turn on the stove on this.
No, not turn on it.
You can turn on the stove on this something and set on the kettle for some chocolate or minty, any one of them.
Minty.
You say a minty.
Why sitting them cooking hard like one time, you know?
Why?
Yeah, we have more instrument to use and kettle over here, so. Electric stove over here, so. Microwave over here, so. Most time I have to go get stove, what I do.
Just to boil little tea.
Just to boil little tea.
Jesus.
I tell you, life really changed.
Life changed true.
I tell you.
That's a rough though. By the time you catch it stove,
never rough, you know. It never rough because
why, Daddy?
if you have to do coal, the time you can buy gas.
So now you say cooking easy. I just
Yeah,
one,
man.
two.
That's why I can't really go take up a woman when I want to cook nowadays.
Why?
Yeah.
It's too easy.
Then they call cooking easy. Watch out. You have meatball there, so everything there, so plate to wash. What's the amount of dough you have to wash plate? And jester.
You know how long when I hear that word there?
Watch it. Fridge there, so. Deep freezer there, so. Look there. See deep freezer so with me. See deep freezer. See standing freezer. See dryer there, so. All igloo you have in our house. Look there. When 30 years ago, Zina, them and something are not there. So if you take up a woman now, when I really want to cook, it's a no-no. I shall go spoil up my investment. KFC and Burger King and no, we don't want them or something. If she not cook, no relationship.
And you will cook too, so
No.
you not cook.
Me can't cook every day.
Me know, but me I say the relationship, you cook one at once a time and she cook
if
one.
you interested in a cooking.
Yeah, not a one-way street.
If she not interested in a cooking, not pay fast food and she'll go spoil up the belly.
Yeah. You're gonna spoil up your stomach. You know turn on, you know?
Which one is that one?
Yeah, yeah. People are gonna say what kind of heavy breakfast this we are eat.
Talk about. I have no good old breakfast up as a week.
Daddy, who turn off the AC?
Yeah, I cheap about 3 microwave.
Daddy, you know better.
You remember, I know.
You should have me lock it off first. I don't know why them apartment no bring, you know?
No, them apart.
Strong light.
Yeah.
Everything are cheap every minute. Use it, let me turn off the AC first. When you finish, you got me turn it on. And then I just see that get cool and nice, you know.
Alright, go on. You remember, watch out. Oh, yeah. You have fryer, so. You see what?
Ear fryer.
Ear fryer. Watch out. Back in the days, I wash and brush and bath pan. You have to use. And when you have baby, a bath pan and sit you have to use wash your clothes. Watch out. You have to sit there and let out. Life really
How about that, Daddy?
No, sit
I want fun.
Fun, we take out the event.
That the rice in the hot bed, you know?
Yeah, hot
Yeah,
already.
No, man, in the hot top, man.
Life really changed. Feel better.
Change feel better for you.
You see as you get your
And me
hat.
give thanks, say, me can't live like this, because a lot of people still now live as simple as how you see we are live now.
I watch you. You're hot in that place, you run go buy AC. My life really changed. See me look at that over there, so you shy. Anyway, what? Eh? God have mercy. Life really changed. I mean, look, you see how fast? I retire now. Just at the age I'm going in 50. Early retirement.
And I don't like the back of
See, all bicycle on me have in the house, you have to ride. I exercise.
So you see your life alright then?
My life sweet. Life sweet like drinks, how you talk about. If you want a better life, I say, gotta go see me. No joke about it.
Make sure you wash your grape, you know.
Yeah, but I really married. I have no wife. You say we married, you know, but I tell you, my life sweet. Although I pay a problem with wife, then.
Oh, you know, you never have a wife.
Woman know a woman. I see a woman a wife, you know. Oh. I live no lie life. Like some man, my life I feel real. I rather live alone.
So real as it come.
Yeah, man. If my life not real, I don't want it. My grandfather said, "Me rather live alone than live with you and happy." I swear. Me rather live alone and happy than live with you and happy. I'm not doing it.
But that's why.
Great. That's why I'm not a wife. You want to?
No.
That's why I'm not a wife.
Guys, remember if you subscribe, tell them to subscribe, Daddy. Yeah. Subscribe to each channel, like and share.
Yeah.
Daddy,
I not take the way me say as no offense, I choose.
But offensive, but you have to just handle it.
But now live with no man and get up every day and cuss and fight.
No makes sense.
I rather live alone and live happy.
True.
Than live with you and happy.
True.
Remember me tell you that.
Real thing.
I'm just sleep good at night time. Me not a problem. Once me have my picnic.
You done? Turn on back the AC.
Wrong sitting turn on. Wrong story turn on.
Daddy, I write stove seat here. It wouldn't just now work properly. You know you have to beat it sometimes.
Aye!
You see the one the hot quick?
I wrong when you turn on.
Daddy, you turn on the stove. Me I go play back the video and show you.
This does turn on now. Yes, this is like a...
Yeah.
I tell you.
Guys, this is my breakfast. Can you imagine? Meat not enough. A chicken back we cook. The meat not enough. But this is my breakfast. Yes, we are eat rice in the early morning. But yeah, full belly, right? Can you imagine me did plug in the mic inside of the phone and the mic them need a work? So this part of the video have no audio. But me I gonna try remember what Daddy did say. Basically, he must say him don't want the artificial ginger tea, him want the natural ginger tea, cause me make the artificial one, so him said that not good for him body. Him want the natural one. Well, that is true. Like everything natural is good. And then that a daddy breakfast, he might make some ginger tea with little sugar. He saying wish him did have little honey though, cause you know honey better than ginger. And he must say the lettuce he must eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In plate have to have an vegetable. Vegetable is a must. So you might take out the lettuce out of the fridge with the tomato. You might go rinse it off. You might go rinse it off and eat it. When Daddy rings vegetable, you know, man, he just run it under water. You know, if he rings in a vegetable different. Although me tell him that Daddy sometimes some chemical depend them. Him just rings it one little time and eat it. I just saw him do it. But yeah, him always have vegetable. And like me and my sister, we hardly eat vegetable. Daddy have to have, all if a dumpling him eat, him have to have vegetable on him plate. You understand? I just him that. But that's you see him fit and well healthy. And so because I have discipline. A lot of women have discipline like myself. But me I try. Guys, nobody asks me still on a diet. Me still a try, you know. It's a trial and error. Me still a try every day is a fight. Trust me, because you know if you go through a lot and then depend diet and one bagger, it rough. But I'm trying. Me still not eat too much and me I gain weight. Me still at the same weight and me lose a couple pounds. So yeah. See me I tell you in just barely rinse it under the something and squeeze the lettuce, squeeze out the water and then I cut it up. And when you are cutting in just chop in a business or it chop up. In a business or it chop up. Normally some people that like cut the tomato thin. No, so with daddy just chop the tomato and eat them, my love. And chop them up. Him no business. But yeah, it's a good habit. I mean, I tell you, that is a vibe. One daddy pan app. Guys, more want to subscribe to each channel, like, share, leave a comment, guys. We want to build up the watch time on YouTube. You know, one daddy pan app. Me and him are going in the kitchen. Me and him are there all over. So if you want to see that, guys, you know, like up the video, share the video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. So yeah, this is daddy dinner. In about dinner, it really look like dinner. This is daddy breakfast. And him having tea. We're gonna enjoy some breakfast and we go up on the road. Big up on yourself, guys. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Venskitchen. One Ven Pani app, one daddy Pani app. Big up on yourself, guys.